Hi, this is Mr. Holmstrom, and this is a how-to video on how to solve puzzle number 1 in lesson 11, A Royal Battle with Events. So we had gone over this in the introduction video. However, I want to show you a couple different blocks and what they do. Because remember, at the end, if I move that out of the way, you're going to be clicking on Finish to show that you're finished and move to the next puzzle. So before we had changed the background, well, what if we want to do something different when we click on Run over here? One thing that we could do is we could have one of our characters say something. So let's say we wanted our robot to say something. We would change to the robot character and we would pick something for him to say. Maybe, how are you doing? So when I click on Run, our robot will ask, how are you doing? Let's see if it happens. Now, some other things that we could do. We could also change our robot's mood. What if we wanted to change our robot's mood to sad? Now, we could have him say, how are you doing? And change him to sad, all by clicking the Run button over here. See how he turned to a sad face? So first he asks how you're doing, then he becomes sad. Now, what if we also wanted to change his size? I think he is actor 2. We'll see. Let's make him very large. So we will say, how are you doing? He will turn sad, and we will make him very large. Oh, I made the wrong actor large. I guess he's actor 3. Let's try that. So now our robot should ask, how are you doing? He should turn to sad, and I believe he's the one that's going to be growing when we do that. How are you doing? He becomes sad, and he becomes very large, all by clicking on the Run. So those are some of the things, some of the buttons that you can use to change how your character looks and what he says. And then when you're done, click Finish. And then you get on to puzzle 2.